In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the drive belt on this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be located in the front of the engine. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the wheel, use a 21mm socket. And remove the wheel. We're going to remove this panel. Just use a trim tool, take the push pins out. There's already one missing right there. Just get underneath here. Do the same for the other ones. Pop that off, pull that out of the way. Underneath, we're going to take these screws out, use a T20 socket, remove all of these. On the side, we'll take these screws out, same T20 socket. Pull that out. This plate comes down. We'll take these two out. And we'll use a trim tool and just pop this out. You can grab the panel, pull it out a little bit. Just pull that off. These pins are just pushed in. Pop those out. Up here, there's a little tab. Just want to push on that tab, slide that off. That comes out. You can use a straight blade screwdriver or a trim tool. Just pull it out. I'm just going to pull it back and out of the way. We're going to loosen up the tensioner right here. Use a 17mm wrench. There's a little spot. We can take the tension off. I'm just going to use a pipe to make it easier. And then I'm just going to use a 4mm hex key. There's a little spot right here. You can put that. And take the wrench off. And you can slide the belt off. Slide it off the crank pulley, off the AC compressor. And take the belt off the water pump. You can reach up, take it off the alternator. And it comes right down. Take the belt, slide it up. We're going to go all the way up to the alternator first. You can reach up here, go around the alternator. You want to be on the front of the water pump. You have to twist it a little bit. Come down below the tensioner, around the crank. It's actually going to be easier to go around the compressor first. And then we'll go around the crankshaft. And you can almost get it all the way on. I'm just going to need to take some of the tension off the tensioner. Make sure it's around the other pulleys. I'll just put the wrench on, using a pipe. And you can put the belt on the rest of the way. Make sure it's lined up on the pulley. That's good. And then pull the key out. And take the wrench off. And then take the inner fender well. Get this lined back up. Have this clip right here. It's going to go on there. This will clip in. Push that in place. Just get the panel lined up the way it was, the best you can. These two square tabs go underneath here. Push those in place. This is going to go over. And take these push pins, get these lined up in the right locations, lock those down. And take this cover, get this lined up. And push these push pins in. Lock them down. And there should be one more right there. I'm going to take this bracket, get that started. I'll snug this down. And then these two screws up here, get those started. And snug those down. Underneath, we're going to put the screws in, get those lined up. Get all those started first, and then we'll tighten them down. Tighten these down. Now take the wheel and slide it in place. Get the lug nuts, get those started. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.